Bali is not just beaches and temples. Today I'm taking you to discover some of the most impressive waterfalls on the island. Pure nature, crystal clear water, and places that feel like another planet. First stop, Banyumala, one of Bali's most photogenic waterfalls. Twin cascades hidden in the jungle, flowing into a natural pool you'll want to dive straight into. Labuhan Kebo is lesser known, and that's exactly what makes it special. Quiet, wild, and perfect if you're looking to escape the crowds. Banyu Wana Amertha is much more than a waterfall. It's a collection of hidden gems in one place. Each one is unique, each with its own magic. Gitgit is one of Bali's most famous waterfalls. Easy to reach, impressive, and perfect if you're visiting the northern part of the island. We finish with Tibumana, a calm waterfall with perfect visual balance, a perfect spot to relax and connect with nature.